This is the voice of the bishops.
It is my onerous task to present to you here present, dear Christians, and to all the Christians of the East African region, the new president of Amecea, whom we have elected, who will preside over today's Mass and will officially take over from the outgoing President, Charles Kasonde. After our election, these bishops here decided to choose as our leader and president of Amecea, Archbishop Gervas John Nyaisonga from Tanzania, Mbeya Archdiocese. Please give him a louder applause, kindly. Archbishop Nyaisonga has been the president of Tanzanian Episcopal Conference from 2018 to 2024. And so he is a firm hand to guide us with his experience and also with his great love. Our dear new president, welcome to this service. Once more, a loud applause. We will be informed of the other new office bearers, but it is my task now and my honor to invite Bishop Charles Kasonde, under the good watchful eye of our cardinals, to now hand over his seat and his power of service to the incoming president of the Association of Member Episcopal Conferences of Eastern Africa, Amecea, to our new Bishop Chair and Bishop President, Bishop Gervas John Nyaisonga. Kindly let us rise as we witness this handover. Makofi, he has been handed over the pastoral staff and the files containing the statutes of Amecea, and now he'll be accompanied to preside over this Mass, accompanied and sat on the official chairmanship or presidency by Cardinal Rugambwa and our Bishop Charles Kasonde. At this moment, we would like to invite our new president to preside over the Mass, where you can sing a song as we begin the celebration of the Holy Mass. Welcome.